I don't fuck with Earth. Why is Saturn the scariest planet? It's not peaceful. 3.8 million views. Let's see.
Listen to that sound. That is not a soundtrack. That is the actual radio emission of Saturn screaming into the void.
Okay.
For centuries, we saw it as a jewel, the jewel of the solar system. A golden giant with a halo of light, floating peacefully in the dark.
Wait, I don't like this fucking music, my nigga. I'm getting goosebumps, bro. I'm getting goosebumps, my nigga. Why this shit sound so fucking scary, bro?
Beautiful, but beauty is the ultimate trap.
Y'all not hearing, bro. Beauty is the ultimate trap. Real shit.
Saturn is not peaceful. It is a violent colossus, a ball of hydrogen and helium spinning so fast that it flattens itself into the shape of a pumpkin. It is a world of impossible storms, of hexagon-shaped nightmares, and of a gravity so cruel it rips entire moons apart to decorate itself.
What the fuck?
Welcome to the Lord of Chaos.
Hold on. This nigga just said Lord of Chaos. Hold the fuck up. Hold the fuck up. This nigga just said Lord of Chaos?
Yeah, I made it out the hood and made out with E-Ho. Your cell phone on the web without pole. Pin ground tatty, yeah, ain't thought I sold my soul. Pop out for the racks, ain't popping out for no hoes. I dropped out when I black, non-lit charcoal. Niggas ain't sipping no drink, I put more lines and barcode.
What?
Going to the bank, I'm in that bitch more than the teller.
What?
What you said, I got that shit right in my cellar.
What?
I don't like her, I been up purple with yellow.
What?
I'm move first before I think.
Ah.
On the bullshit, this bitch got me.
Hey.
This her race, hold me at the top. Oh, I guess I swear I ain't hit no race, yeah, that shit dead. It fuck. Shot in, drop that hit, I forgot where we was heading.
Had to, my fault, bro. My fault. I had to. W pause. W pause.
Let's start with the crown, the rings. From Earth, they look like solid bands of pure gold, smooth, perfect, eternal. But if you were to fly inside them,
Let me guess,
you
they're
would
killing
find
you.
yourself in a grinder.
Fucking know it.
These rings are not solid. They are a chaotic blizzard of sharp ice and rock, ranging from the size of a grain of sand to the size of a mountain.
Bro, stop lying. You telling me it's rocks around Saturn that's the size of a mountain, my nigga? How they even know this shit? How the fuck they know this shit?
They orbit at thousands of kilometers per hour,
Damn.
constantly colliding, shattering, and reforming. Imagine a storm of ice shrapnel that stretches for nearly 300,000 kilometers wide, but is razor thin. In some places, the rings are only 10 meters thick.
10 meters?
It is a blade slicing through the darkness. But where did this violence come from? A murder.
What?
The prevailing theory is a tragedy.
Yo!
Long ago, a moon, perhaps as large as Titan, wandered too close to the planet.
Okay.
It crossed the Roche limit.
What the
point
fuck?
of no
Yo,
return.
who the fuck? I'm sorry for pausing so much. Who recorded this though? How'd they catch this video? Nah, W cameraman, my nigga. This is insane. This is some crazy ass footage, bro.
Saturn's gravity grabbed the moon and ripped the crust from the core. It shredded a living world into trillions of icy fragments. The beautiful rings we admire today are not jewelry. They are the scattered guts of a dead moon.
Why are they describing this shit as a murder?
Planetary graveyard.
What?
But the strangeness of Saturn goes deeper than its rings. Look at the North Pole. Nature does not make straight lines. Fluid dynamics should create circles and spirals. Yet here, spinning forever, is a perfect geometry.
Okay.
A hexagon.
That is a perfect hexagon.
This
It
is
is.
not a symbol. It is a hurricane, a six-sided storm, wide enough to swallow 4 Earths. The walls of this storm reach hundreds of kilometers deep into the planet's atmosphere.
So it's a storm on Saturn that is big enough to swallow 4 Earths.
The very center of the hexagon lies a massive vortex, a red spinning maw that looks like a rose made of hurricanes. It has been raging for decades, perhaps centuries, a geometric
Yo, that's
star
kinda scary,
that
my
never
nigga.
heals, staring unblinkingly into the void like a giant eye. And when Saturn gets angry, the entire planet changes. Every 30 Earth years, roughly 1 Saturnian year, a monster wakes up. We call it the Great White Spot. This is a storm system so massive it wraps around the entire circumference of the planet. Imagine a thunderstorm that covers the entire Earth, flashing with lightning 10,000 times stronger than anything on our world.
Yo, my question is, how the fuck do they know this shit? If Saturn, y'all gotta listen. Y'all gotta fucking listen and think. If the shit's so dangerous, my nigga, if it's so powerful, if the shit is 4 times, 5 times stronger than Earth and it covers the whole fucking planet, how did y'all niggas know? Tell me that. How did you know? And how the fuck did y'all record the fucking moon blowing up and creating the Saturn's rings, bro? Y'all don't answer. Y'all don't ask the right questions, bro.
It churns up distinct white clouds of
This shit looks scary
ice
as fuck.
from deep within the interior.
I like how he
turning the
describing this,
golden
though.
Planet into a ghost. It is a reminder that beneath those calm bands of yellow clouds, there is a chaotic engine of heat and energy waiting to explode. Saturn is the king of a massive entourage with more than 140 moons.
Damn.
But one of them is an imposter.
Ooh.
Titan. Titan is the only moon in the solar system with a thick atmosphere. In fact, the air pressure here is higher than on Earth. If you stood on Titan, you would see rivers, lakes, and rain clouds. It looks startlingly like home. But
They describing this shit like it's a fucking scary movie. Dead ass. They describing this shit like Jason. Like how would they describe a scary movie, my nigga? Like we should be scared of Saturn. We should be scared.
be
Bruh.
fooled. Titan is a twisted, toxic reflection of Earth.
See?
The rain is not water. It is liquid methane.
What
and
the
ethane.
fuck?
Liquid natural gas.
What the
falling from the
fuck?
sky in slow motion due to the low gravity.
How you know?
The temperature is minus 179 degrees Celsius.
Damn.
If you jumped into a lake on Titan,
You die?
You wouldn't just freeze, you would shatter like glass. And the ground, not sand. The massive dunes of Titan are dark hydrocarbon grains, essentially plastic, static charged plastic dunes, hundreds of meters high, shifting in the alien wind. It is a world that mimics life, but is built from the ingredients of death. Further out lies a tiny bright ball of pure white ice.
And the thing is that I don't like how they trying to come to me like they producing this. They bring this onto me as a challenge, my nigga. Who was the first black man? Who was the first black man to go to Saturn? The first black man to go to Saturn. Has anybody even been to Saturn? Am I being bullshit right now? No human has ever been on. Oh, so robots have. Okay, robots have been to Saturn. Okay, okay. Tando. Tando will be the first black man, the first human to ever touch foot on Saturn. This shit real, my nigga. This shit is real. This shit is real, my nigga. Why they telling me so much shit about Saturn, but nobody's ever been to Saturn? You feel me? Why not? Why not, bruh? It's not niggas in Paris, my nigga. It's niggas on Saturn. Niggas on Saturn.
We thought it was just Enceladus. For years, we thought it was just a frozen rock, but then we saw the tiger stripes, long blue fractures at the South Pole, and from these scars, it bleeds. Giant geysers of water vapor shoot hundreds of kilometers into space at supersonic speed. Saturn's gravity is kneading this tiny moon like a ball of dough, keeping its core warm. Beneath that thick frozen shell lies a global ocean of warm liquid water.
Wait, where's this?
It has salt, it has heat,
it
has organic molecules. In the deep, dark pressure of Enceladus, shielded from the vacuum of
my
space,
nigga, this sounds like some legend. It sounds like a tale. Like it sounds like a story your great granny tell you when your ass was younger and it's time to go to bed, my nigga. Why it sound like it's something that's made up?
In the deep
dark pressure of Enceladus, my nigga. This sound like a fucking game.
Pressure of Enceladus,
am I tripping?
Shielded from the vacuum of space,
shielded,
something might be swimming. We went to Saturn looking for gas and rock. We might leave, having found neighbors.
The fuck?
But to learn these secrets, we had to make a sacrifice. In 2017, the Cassini spacecraft, our lone messenger at Saturn, was running out of fuel.
Okay.
To protect the pristine moons like Enceladus from contamination, NASA made a tough choice. They ordered Cassini to commit suicide.
My nigga. Robots can't commit suicide, bro. Like, what, bro? They definitely had ChatGPT write the fucking script. Talking about commit suicide. My nigga, what the fuck we talking about, bro? We talking about the planets? Oh, what we talking about?
On its final orbit, Cassini dove straight into the atmosphere of the monster it had studied for 13 years.
Nah, this shit look crazy, though.
It fought to keep its antenna pointed at Earth, transmitting data until the very last second. But Saturn showed no mercy. The heat and pressure tore the robot apart.
Damn.
It melted, vaporized, and became part of the planet forever. Saturn feels eternal, but it is not. Even the rings are dying. Gravity is slowly pulling the rings down into the planet as ring rain. In 100 million years, a blink of an eye in cosmic time, the rings will be gone. Saturn will be just another lonely gas giant in the dark. So look at it while you can. It is a temporary masterpiece of gravity and violence, a beautiful trap that lured us across the solar system, only to show us how small we really are. Saturn is the most beautiful thing in our sky, but remember, beauty can be deadly.
Beauty can be deadly, man. I'm not gonna lie, that was a good fucking video, man. Clap it up, bro. That was a good fucking video. I understand why that shit got 3 million views. The commentary was insane. If I did not see what was going on, I'm thinking the nigga getting popped. I'm thinking somebody dying. Somebody out there killing niggas. Talking about beauty is dangerous. Talking about the robot committed suicide. Bro, what are you fucking talking about, my nigga? What's he talking about?